you do the same thing with them I do now. You never did tone it down. You never had think say some little girl out there wanna be like you. Yes, some little girls out there, including with nieces, with grandnieces, are gonna wanna be like you someday. There is somebody out there gonna wanna. You never had think about that now. When you did not do it, carry the man them fill up the man them penis on stage and you go on with yourself. You never had think about it. You no artist, you not actor. You never no artist, you're actor. But people sound great. Because guess why people sound great? People like the nastiness there. People like negativity. So when you come now wind up on the man feel up the man them penis on stage, people are gonna say you're bad. People are gonna say you're bad, but you don't bad have the actor. Hold on no. Actor.
Right now you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop you. Unstoppable, now we are trained.
Me tell you about the series on this channel when named Dancehall Soap Opera. It will never end, and the reason is because every single week there is a new drama. Me tell you no over and over already. Now, with the ladies of dancehall, it seems like every so often, them come out and start up some drama, then everything quiet down, then a little time pass and them come back again and start up the drama all over again. You can see where I go right now between Minister Hall, aka Lady Sa, and everybody else in the female category of dancehall. Yeah, you see where I go right? Well, right now, Lady Ann speak out, and Lady Anna say, yo, Lady Sa, how you fi come Anna basically put down the younger girls them in a dance hall when the things them where them a do are you them learn it from? Lady Ann words, not mine. People, listen what Lady Anna say.
You started all of this thing while going a dance hall. We set a trend, you come and you set your trend. We never like what you did that do. And when we talk to you and I say, yo, that road there you go, you say we bad mind. I will allow you and you come and you do your thing. If you're that little young lady now, come, I want to be like you. Remember now, you start this nasty filthiness in a dance hall, you know. You start this nasty filthiness in a dance hall. You are one of them who started. Now I put all of them on you, but you are one of them who go vulgar with the nastiness in a dance hall. You. And every little young ladies know want to be like you. Every one of them want to follow the trend where you put. And the trend where we set, you know. Because you not come with the trend where we set. You say, you don't go that way that nobody never listen to you. And true, nobody never listen to you. You go the vulgar way. And everybody want to be like you. Every one of the little girl, they want to be like you. The only difference with you and them go a little harder than you. And if you sit back now, wishing on a business in a dance hall, because you said the devil play the wrong and you leave the door. If you see little girl them come now and them now, you might not like what them do, just like how we never like what you did I do, and what you did I say. I think you should address it a little better. You know, I don't like the way you address it. I'm not saying some of the things them that you are saying is not true. You are right about some of the things. But remember, you started. And you them want to be like. And you them follow. Them just go a little harder than you. So, the way you deal with it, I don't like it. It bother me. To me, you're a dancehall hypocrite. You're a hypocrite. The way you tear them down, you know? Or you tear them down and you set the trend for them follow. And your trend them a follow, you know? Your footstep them a follow, you know? And your footstep them a follow. Your footstep them a follow. You started. And them a follow you. So why would you even go that road there? Why would you even go that road there? The way you deal with it and I say it. I think you go about it the wrong way. First thing you should have to come apologize to. Yeah, me hear you do it a lot of times. Sorry, and I every music and a blah, 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 blah. But I don't say you deal with them. I don't say you talk to them. I don't say you talk to them as an adult, as an elder, where you set the trend for them follow. Because we did set a trend, you know. We the original. And look how it's sad. Who is the number one leading trending dancehall song out there right now, Bam Bam. Who still a mash up dancehall? Informer, Lady Ann. Yeah, yeah. You set the trend. You come with those nasty filthiness in a dancehall space. You come with it. You come with it. A little girl them like it. A little girl them say them want to be like you. You them follow. You them follow. You them say them want to be like. They want to be like you. You the little girl them look up to. You the little girl them don't have no nothing about we. When people call our name to them don't have no name so. None of them don't know about Sister Charmy until when she died the other day. None of them don't know about we. You them know about, cause you go there with that vulgarness, that slackness, that nastiness. You dancehall hypocrite. You're a dancehall hypocrite. You're a hypocrite. You set a trend for the little girl them, and the whole of them want to be like you. The whole of them want to be like you. The whole of them copy you. Them just go a little harder than you because them they like the nastiness and the filthiness way they do because them say the positive thing probably never had a work and them never know about us to come with the positive and the cleanness to the music industry. They know about you with your filth. You come with the filth. You put the filth in them head. You are the one who do it. I know you bash them. No, you bash them for something that you create. And you create that. And you don't want to be like. You ever hear the master them want to be like a lady and a lady G, a Sister Charmy or a junior aunt? None of them must be. Them never want to say them want to be like we. All of them say them want to be like you. You're such a piece of dancehall hypocrite. Lord, the girl them. Lord, look at young ladies them. Sorry if you call them girls. Lord them. Lord, little girls them. Make them do them thing. And you them a follow. You set the trend. Come talk about the girl. Yo, it hurt me. If probably if it address it a little better, I talk about spice, wash up. Yeah. And this. Come on. And Sensei not reach yet. Come on. She have to creep before she walk. She take her time. Yeah, me might not like that song the rest of the day that day. And I don't like this song because me never like the certain thing when me see in the video with the girl. Me never like them things there in the video. To me, if she have a man in there, a pose and a pretend, it would like look a little better. But it kind of swap a little sadism to me. I'm not fighting somebody to them one. I never like it. But when you come and I try to tear them down and I say all kind of things about them, you're a hypocrite. You're a filthy piece of hypocrite. You're a hypocrite. And you set it and them a follow you. You do that. You do that. You create the monster in the dancehall space. You to be blamed. Me I blame you. You create the monster in the dancehall space. Me have a right to talk because me work hard and me go through a lot of abuse. Me go through a lot of abuse to help put dancehall reggae music on the map. I go through a lot of abuse, so I have all right to talk. When you come out and burn out the little girl, them know. The other day, my co-host asked me if I do a tune with Jane, and I said, no, I'm so why, and I said, I don't like her style, because to me, she kind of too labor to me, and that's it. You said the girl weak. Come on. All them things that you say. You create that monster in a them. The whole of them, the Spice, the Sensia, the Jada, the whole of them will come. Some of them, I don't know them name. The bad girl Jade, the whole of the little artists, them. You are the one that create the monster. You create that monster. You start that. So what you say now? So you come now after you create the monster, them you want to come tear them down. Should them go hard. Them just go look harder than you. Them just take it to another level. And by the way, you say dancehall music and devil music and the devil playground. Where you do I listen to them? You're not supposed to listen to them. And me supposed to listen to them. Because you say a devil playground and a devil music. Where you do I listen to them? You know you don't like me because you don't chat say you hate me. I know that long time. And you know why you hate me. And it no matter why you hate me. You forgot to the time when I see you up a Sheriff HQ when you first meet you, when Mama Lolo introduced you to me, I said to some little girl, I wrote that you take my mouth nasty so. When you go back and tell Lolo about me, I talk about your mouth nasty and a bad man. And it's so much thing reaching a dance, I'll feel you have to run out tight. And that me that try to tell you, because I know the things they don't reach you. That me did want to tell you, but me never want to tell you. Not so much word to them things they don't reach you. The last DJ girl, we go and dance and take the mic and a DJ about cocky dead, about 10 man up until I say, sure we say we cocky dead now. Somebody know say, them things they don't reach you. In a dance hall, reggae, and one call it. Me didn't know say them things they don't reach you. When me that try to see you, when me see you the first time, me see you for Sheriff HQ, and me that try to tell you, say, little girl, that I know the right way that you know, you go feel it. You go behind me, and you tell Mama Lolo, say, me bad mind. Lolo tell me about, but me just never say nothing. Me just say, no, I'm going to watch you. And me know where you don't get. Me night longer than you. Me go through a lot of things tonight. So me could I tell you, me not try to save you. Now, I'm nothing to do with bad mind. Just so that tell you, say, some of them things that you don't go through. I see you go through them. You go through them. Well, now these little young girls, you are the one that create them. You are the one that create them. When them attack, you never hear them someone be a lady or a lady G, a sister this, a sister that. You know what little things we go through for put that music where it is? Even though we don't get no credit, that's okay. We don't need no credit. But who are the trending number one DJ right now? Bam Bam. Who still a mash up dancehall? Informer, Lady and every dance that playing, I'm proud. I can pat myself on my shoulder, give thanks. And everything we were doing in our bedroom have to come out on the street. And everything we're doing in our bedroom have to come out on the street. And when I watch you last night, when I see, and when I hear, oh, yeah, style the young ladies, them, I am so pissed at you. You're such a piece of hypocrite. And you create them. You create them. Because you don't want fast and quick and easy money. You don't want fast and quick and easy money so you could have come out of poverty. And when you get the fast and quick and easy money, and when you come out of poverty, you never tone down. You go hard same way. You go hard same way. You never tone it down. You never say, no, say, me reach what I want to reach now, and me achieve what I want to achieve. Me tone it down. You never think, say, your nieces, them, your little niece, them, I got ear to want to be like you. Or your little sister, them, I hear the nonsense, them, where you come in and want to be like you. And that happen. And that happen a dancehall space, because dancehall, don't call it. You are the one that create those monsters. The little young lady, them. Just like how you the one come out of poverty, I saw them want to come out of poverty too. Them the one come out of poverty too. So them go the road where them see you go, because them say the easy way out that. The way we go are the harder and the longest road. I'm talk this every day. I'm not stop set up. No slack him out, DJ girl, no bad like way. I pull forward come easy. We have to work hard to pull forward them. When we get a forward on stage, we have to work hard. If you're forward. And you come now. You say the devil playground. For you leave the devil playground alone. You come now and I disrespect the little girl them. And I say you did it, my girl. When me did first see you, me never talk to me never diss you like that. Me just say to you, say, you can't turn it down so much. That road there you go. You go feel it. And that really said to you. And no for we. If you rest of the female them really wish you come talk the truth. I'm going to call some of them name right now. If Nancy him don't have no chat, Lady G, Sister Verna dead and gone, me I still rest in peace. Sister Faith and the original Sister Charmian, even my friend Clammy Cherry Sister Charmian are dead. Should I come tell you something with them buck upon? You'd have see what me I talk about. So it wasn't a bad mind thing. I was just trying to tell you, say, you're gonna go through something. But you walk away and say, my bad mind. And for years you hate me, you chat or you hate me. But I know what me tell you about the slacky mouth you have, make you say you hate me. You know why you say you hate me. I mean, no. Why you say you hate me? Even though me not going to say it, and me not going to come for life and talk about that, because me give God my word, and me give me kids them my word and other people my word. So I will never come load you. That way there, I will never do it. I'm not going to load up that part there. But and you know it's so funny? The day up at the nail shop when me and you kick off when me I say, nowadays tune, I buy number one here. Woo! And I buy my tune for number one. That's why I'm going to murder the whole of you. And God just open up me eye and show you, oh, you did a murder way. I never musically did a murder way. But me not go talk about that. God, I want great God, you know. You remember? When I confront up a mixing lab, you saw God good, God just show me what you did I do for murder way. Anyway, I'm going to leave that part there. Leave the little young ladies them alone. If you're going to address them, I don't like what them I do. You can deal with it a little better. When you talk about them to reach and who wash up and who where you do long time, you hear what you say? And you first carry bed and mobile. So what we are talking about, all them something. Who not no artist, who not actor. I couldn't come past stage, come act. I know the world them alone do it. You do it too. Who not actor. Who not no real dancehall artist who can perform for an artist. Not for skin out to the bring man past stage. Come naked. Who not no dancer, a dancehall artist, Juni Ranks, Sister Charmian, Nancy, Lady G, Sister Carol, Queen Africa, and them are a dancehall artist. And we can perform for the people, them Tana Stephen, and them little young ladies there. We are dancehall artists, we are dancehall giant. Because we don't have to kin out for pum pum. We don't have to come in a bad suit. We don't have to do none of them something there. Bust the place. So what you say? No, you create them. And you create them, you know. Nobody, just like how you say you tell them the truth, me I come tell you the truth. Me I come tell, because everybody is afraid. Me not afraid of March Band, my mouth big and loud, and me don't know you don't like me. You don't like me because me have your secret. And me not care. Nobody not, you say nobody, you tell them the truth. Well, me I tell you the truth. And you create them. And you them did want to be like. And you the one of them copy. And you them say them want to be like. You them say them want to be like. And you them love and you them rate. Them want to talk about we. Them don't even know we. Enough of them here in farmer play and don't even know how to do it. Enough of them here in farmer play and don't even know how to do it. Enough of them here bam bam play and don't even know how to do it. Enough of them here Lady G sang a show we living that they get to showing. And don't even know how to do it. Them don't know we. Them know how to songs, yes. Them don't know we. And look how I saw you deal with little girl them. Love them. And you create them. And you create them. You. And you come out past stage and skin out your rotten porky. And you. And you. I know you want to come this little girl. If you address them more decently, no? Just talk to them like, you know, as an elder for them. Make them know, so listen. Yeah, it all fine and dandy when they do it, but this is not the way. Talk to them better. And some me that expect if you address them. And some me that expect if you address them. You come and talk about spice, wash up, Jada week, and sense and read. Yeah, boy. Tell the people what you do for reach. And you the one of them a follow. You them a follow. You them a follow. You set that trend and them follow it. You set that trend and them follow it. You set that trend and them follow it. If it come a little bit, or even when they started out like that, can you claim say you come culture and nobody never listen to you? Alright. Okay, cool. But when you go around, you know, when you say all of them nasty song there, and you get upsetted, you could have torn it down. Did you torn it down? No, you never did. It is all fine and dandy. You never torn it down. You never torn it down one bit. And the little girl them just like what you do, take what you do, and go a little harder with it, and it work for some of them, and you bash them. Bad mind are very, that you call dancehall bad mind. That you did say me bad mind when me tell you say your mouth did vulgar, but no. This is what you call dancehall bad mind. This is what you call dancehall bad mind. Yeah. I imagine now, you create the little girl them want to be like you. I know you're going to go live with your hypocrite self. Stand in a church. Stand in there. Can you run in there? Can your conscience make you run in there? Stand in there alone, little girl them. You're Christian, we do I listen to them. They're in a church. And move your shadow one cuss on the life, you know. Hello, little girl then. One of them younger than we. Cause you know you're 50, me are 60. 2 months from now, me are 61. No, little girl them. Yeah, you get your house, your land, and your van, and you get back and you say a devil playground. Make them get for them. I'm not saying I agree with everything with them I do. No. But if me go talk to them, me inbox them. If you want to talk to them, you could inbox them. Inbox them. Inbox them and say to them, say, listen, me do it and blah, blah, blah. Give them, make them know, say, yeah, me know I'm deal with it better. Deal with it better. You know how little girl I like? A lot. Chanel Moore. That's what her name. I think she's talented. But true, she not go that road there. She been pressured. But guess what? What fear can be and fear day go come. You understand? And you have to give credit where credit is due. I like enough of the little young ladies them. Yeah, I don't like the road where some of them are go. I truly don't like some of the songs where some of them are sing. But I will not go on the internet and disrespect them like that. I'd more inbox them. And you could have do that because them don't listen to you. Because guess what? Them love and rate you. Them love and rate you, you know. You could have inbox them, you know, and tell them how you feel, you know. But you want to go viral, you go live and disrespect the little girl. Them can't disrespect them, you know, sneakingly, you know. And I talk about you talk truth, and me I tell you the truth, you want dancehall Christian hypocrite. When you just come back and see a space left there for you. And let me tell you something, the music have feelings, you know, and the music can be heard. And when you cut the music like that, I don't think it have no room for you. You talk all kind of thing, where you do I listen to them? Or read the Bible. Read the Bible, continue read it. Continue read the Bible. Leave them. And you create them. And you create them. Me I tell you the truth. You create them. You create them.
Now, me see where persons are comment and I say, yo, where is the unity between the ladies, man? Come on, enough of that. You need to stop with the back and forth tracing ladies. Unity. Who agree with that? I don't like that drama. Yeah? Some don't like the drama, you know. Watch out, man, people. Me done with the start. Me down below in the comment section. Cause this has been another one from Unstoppable TV. Like, share, comment, and definitely if this is your first time and you have not yet hit the subscribe button, please consider hitting the subscribe button now. Turn on all notifications. So once you upload a video, you will get notified. No matter what, don't let nobody stop you. I'm unstoppable and I'm out.
Right now, you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable.